empowering the world through innovative and accessible education.
Welcome to Module 4, Section 7, Integrating OpenAI into Workflows. In this section, we'll see how OpenAI tools can automate everyday tasks and unlock powerful content generation, making your work smarter, faster, and more scalable. Let's start with a practical question. Can AI actually save me time in my daily work? Absolutely. OpenAI models like ChatGPT and DALL-E can take over repetitive or time-consuming tasks. Think drafting emails, summarizing reports, creating meeting notes, or even generating marketing copy, all with a few well-crafted prompts. With simple integrations like Python, Zapier, or Make, you can embed AI directly into your workflows. Content generation, emails, reports, articles. Need to draft a newsletter, write a blog post, create a client report? AI has your back. Real-world example. Let's look at a real-world case study. An e-commerce company integrated OpenAI into their finance workflow. Every week, instead of manually crunching spreadsheets, they used GPT to analyze sales data, generate summaries, and even write board-ready reports. Result: time saved, accuracy improved. Teams focused more on decision-making than data wrangling. This is just one example. But these kinds of intelligent automations are happening across industries from marketing to logistics to education. Now let's explore how others are applying OpenAI, what to watch out for, and where AI is headed next. A sports organization built a custom GPT to analyze fan feedback, turning thousands of comments into weekly sentiment reports. But as with any powerful tool, there are pitfalls. Here are a few. First, over-engineering. Don't start by building an AI-powered mega app. Start simple, test with a prompt, then expand. So what's next? We're moving from AI tools to AI agents, autonomous systems that can take actions, not just answer questions. Think of an AI assistant that schedules meetings, books travel, or files reports, based on your habits and data. Let's wrap up with some common questions. How do I make sure AI outputs are accurate? Great question. Always review important outputs. Ask the model to explain its reasoning. And where possible, pair it with human checks or secondary tools. What's a good final project? Start with something practical. Automate a repetitive report, build a mini chatbot to answer FAQs, or create a workflow where AI drafts content based on input data. Just remember, focus on a real need, test often, and keep it simple. That's it for Module 4. You now understand how to integrate OpenAI tools into real workflows, avoid common traps, and prepare for where AI is going next. See you in the next module.